how to fix screen time not working on iPhone. So one of the ways to fix that problem is by going to your general and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and transfer or reset iPhone and click reset, and you're gonna reset all settings, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, go back to your screen and then go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and then you're gonna just type right here Apple support, right? And you're gonna find the Apple support app right here. Download it, and you're gonna be able to select your device, and you're gonna select the app that you are having problem with. All right, and you're gonna tell them what's the problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.